On Wednesday, my class is called Laser Photonics, and we have a bunch of different laser systems in the lab. And you can engrave things on them, you can cut out scraps of metal, I can weld things together with it. So just playing with those lasers on Wednesday, figuring it out, learning how to encode things with the laser as they go by. It can do it super fast, it can do it slow, it can burn something, it can weld it, it can cut it. That class, just the different things you can do with the systems amazes me.
When we had a lot of leftover material, so Mr. Woon, our teacher, wanted us to just build the table. He gave us no instructions. He's just like, here, build a table out of the materials you have. And it really taught us to be creative and how to use tools a certain way.
The coolest project is one that I'm still currently working on, where in the ARM program we have a FabLite laser, which is a very large fabrication laser cutter. And I've been able to work on very large sheets of metal to make all kinds of special parts specifically for my program, and that has been a wonderful experience.
In my oxyfuel acetylene welding class, that we welded up cubes all the way around, which I thought that was really cool. There's also been a lot of TIG welding projects that were really cool. We made a lot of projects, and I think each individual project was really fun.
Going through the classes and seeing more about the computers, the way they talk, the topologies and, the network things, I feel like has been like the most cool thing to really understand like how things communicate in the background and how they move around. And that's probably been like the most interesting so far.
The most interesting project that I've worked on so far has probably been our part of the electrical unit, where we are making electrical boards and going through and wiring all of them.